morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cincho Vlog, and welcome back to my kitchen guys. So today guys is magluluto po tayo ng ginisang repolyo with vegetables guys, capsicum, red, I have yellow also here guys, and green and carrots. So I have chili guys, this one is spicy, and sasawgan po natin siya guys ng meat. So, hiwa-hiwain na po natin siya guys, and then start na po tayo sa ating pagluluto ng ginisang repolyo. Madali ang luto lang to guys. So guys, cut muna natin yung meat guys. Ayan. Start na tayo guys sa ating pagluluto. So, lagyan po natin ng oil guys. Ayan. Aw. Tama na yan guys. Lagay na po natin yung meat guys. Ayan. Guys, let's check kung luto na yung karne natin. Aw, mukhang sunog na guys. Mukhang masarap guys. Mukhang mabango guys yung luto ko. Magkain ko na to guys ng 4 na araw ulit. Dahil ako lang po yung kumakain ng aking luto guys. So, ayan. Luluto tayo ng pang 4 days. Dapat guys, smell nice. Smell yummy. Lagay na po natin yung carrots guys. Carrots is hard. It's take long time to cook guys. So mauna po yung carrots natin. Lagyan po natin ng nor cubes guys. And then some black pepper. Mahuhuli na yung soya sauce niya guys. Mamaya na lang. Halo-haloin po natin. Ayan. Check natin guys kung luto na po yung carrots natin. Ayan, wow. Look yummy. Yummy talaga ako magluto guys. Pero ako lang yung kumakain. So guys, I have 3 kinds of capsicum here. So lagay po natin yung red. And then this one guys is spicy. Ayan guys. And then sunod po natin yung yellowish ni Ma'am Lintek. So guys, and then yung greenwish. Ayan guys. Medyo spicy to guys dahil nilagyan ko po siya ng spicy chili na isa. Wow. Wow. So maglagay po tayo ng soya sauce guys. I have family soya sauce here. Ayan. Konti lang guys para hindi maalat. Enough na. Ayan guys, I think pwede na po nating ilagay yung cabbage guys. So, let's put now. Ayan. Mashallah. Masarap to guys. Yung tipong ako lang ang kakain, kaya masarap to guys. Promise. I think luto na siya guys. So, look at this guys. Looks yummy. And really yummy guys. So, pwede na po nating patayin guys. Ayan, kainan na po. Hindi po masarap guys pag overcook yung gulay natin. So, patayin na po natin guys. Thank you for watching. And thank you sa pagsama sa aking pagluluto guys. Bye. God bless us.